with me to discuss the verdict. Of course, the verdict was guilty across the board, but the jury took a long time, gentlemen, to return this verdict. I mean, how much of the defense's closing argument there do you think had to do with that? Adante, I'm going to start with you.
Well, first of all, you have to tip your hat as an advocate and somebody who also practiced criminal defense law for about a decade or so. I know how difficult it is to work with facts that are unsavory, to represent people who may be, being cast in the worst of the public light. And yet you have to stand there with a straight face and deliver a defense that's persuasive, that's based upon the facts, and you're trying to pull out the inconsistencies or the motivations of the witnesses and the evidence that is presented against your client. And I think she did a phenomenal job doing that, because what she focused on, as you just saw in that clip, was the inconsistency in the witnesses and attacking their credibility. As opposed to some grand conspiracy, she really just laid bare the facts that would move the needle towards reasonable doubt versus towards conviction. At the same time, it didn't save her client from getting a conviction because, in my opinion, the facts were just that overwhelming.